Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Myntri Rangbah jong ke Sarkar Jela Konrad Konggal Sangma menta kesengi ke Henrytrik ubna Jemang Arjar Arpway ula penlongi ke jingyalang Bishar Kambat ki Bor Sunshar District jong ke West Garo Hills District halor ke jing penkre bante lakam ya ke klam jingpang COVID-19. Hagani kesengi Konrad ula lej ban yok jat ru hapo ke Maternity and Child Hospital bat ula pej ru ya ke Civil Hospital Tura ha ke ban Bishar ya ke kom trai kam gani ke hospital ha ke bayadai bat ke jing ai jing sumar ya ke basyakta na uknyang jingpang COVID-19. Lasenran lang ya Myntri Rangbah hagani kesengi daw Deputy Commissioner jong ke West Garo Hills District Ram Singh bat ru ki doktor jong gani ke hospital.
Yes, we had a review with the high-level COVID committee here for West Garo Hills and for Tura specifically. In that meeting, we have discussed regarding the preparedness of the health infrastructure in case the numbers go up. And overall, the preparedness has been quite satisfactory. But still, we are ensuring that as much addition that can be done, we are working on it to ensure that more facilities are added. At the same time, we've just come and visited the Mother and Child Hospital also, and here also the isolation ward and the ICU ward and other facilities also are being looked into. So overall, after this, we will be visiting the civil hospital as well as the SMLC, which is going to be the Corona Care Center. The idea is to really make sure that as a town, Tura town is prepared for any kind of situation. But most important is that we need to ensure that this entire matter is contained so that the numbers do not rise to any large extent.